Okay, it's time now for another edition of Canteen Cup Tuesday. Once again, I am your host, Matt the Old Floor Boy. You know, one of my favorite things to cook when I'm day hiking or camping or overnighting or anything is something with pasta. And you know, if you're hiking and you're sweating a lot and you're doing a lot of work, you know, those carbs kind of replenish you and give you some energy. Although pasta is not that easy to do out in the woods or on the trail. You know, you could take some of those freeze dried like beef stroganoffs and stuff, but I hate that stuff. So I was walking through the $1.25 tree the other day. Well, now it's the $1.50 tree. Now it's like the $5 tree. So I was walking through $5 tree the other day, and I saw this Pasta Zing, and I thought, what the hell is Pasta Zing? It's pre-cooked spaghetti. I said, what a great thing. So what we're going to do is we got a can of Hunt's basil, garlic, and oregano tomato sauce. And we're going to make us some spaghetti and sauce out in the woods. So let's get to it. I'm going to set up the old Canteen Cup stove that you guys just saw. That's my favorite stove kit. We're going to set up the Canteen Cup stove and we're going to get rolling. So let's get rolling. Okay, so what we're doing over here is I'm heating up 1 cup of water. We don't need that for the spaghetti, but we need that for some coffee. And like I said, there's literally never a bad time for coffee. And this is, that baby is cooking. So what I'm going to do in the meantime is I'm going to try to open up this can of Hunt tomato sauce with a P51 or a P38. I think the P38 is better, but y'all know how can opener challenged I am. So we're going to try this. I might have to time lapse this. Look at that. Da 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 da. We are ready to go. You know, I don't even know why I tried P38. P51 is so much easier. Let's see how we are doing on our water. Ooh, that stove is going. Ooh, it's smoking. All right. Once again, we are going to do Folgers. And you notice I got our old friend, the green cup, because I am a card-carrying member of the Green Cup Society. So I can use the green cup, and you can too. So that's one of my favorite things. I haven't used it in a long time, and I'm glad I brought it. So we got some Folgers. Whew. And I got a really good coffee recipe that I'm going to make pretty soon. And it sounds just unbelievable. So you guys are going to love it. All right, let's see how our water's doing. Whew. I can hear that starting to boil. Wow. Okay. Now we are almost ready for coffee. And this is the most unbelievable stove rig that I've ever had. I mean, I put not even an ounce of fuel in there, and it boiled a cup of water just in the time that we've been talking, okay? And it is, that's hot enough for me. I don't know about y'all, but that's hot enough for me. Now I know that I'm gonna need this, because I forgot my gloves again. And the stove is almost out. Oh my God, that looks so good. And we haven't even got to cooking the sketty yet. Just to prove that I'm not a total savage, we're going to use 1 vanilla cream. Oh man, this is what it's all about. All right, let's go up and have a couple words while we're trying to simmer up our sauce. All right. And we're just it's gonna be hard to simmer up the sauce. I'm gonna have to hold it because that stove is really hot. So let's get with it. Okay, so it's such a nice day. You know, I got my modified Wheeling Baker tent set up here. The sun's over there. The breeze is coming from that direction. And I got our green cup of coffee. I haven't used the green cups in a long time. But man, I'm going to start using them more. I got so much camping stuff that I haven't used. But this is going to be really interesting. Pasta Zing. Simply delicious, fully cooked, and microwavable in 60 seconds. Anything that is microwavable in 60 seconds is fully cooked. I mean, this is cold and you could eat it right out of the package if you didn't want to stop and make a fire. And you could just literally put this can of tomato sauce in there, mix it up. You know, you'd have cold spaghetti. I don't know how good that would be, but you know, it would definitely work. So I'm gonna shut up and I'm gonna go down and we're gonna cook the sauce and we're gonna mix up our spaghetti. So let's go do that. All right, you guys, this is gonna be hard because I did not want to put that coffee down to do this. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna put another, I don't know, 3/4 of an ounce, maybe, of alcohol in there. Light it. Bam, it's on there. Be kind of quick about this. I'm gonna put our sauce in there. Get all of it with our Harbor Freight cutlery set, which is one of the best cutlery sets money can buy, by the way. Let's taste this sauce. All right, that's not bad. Starting to bloom up, and I gotta kind of watch this. And I'm just gonna rip open the Pasta Zing, get it ready to go in there. All right, let's do that. Take a sip of coffee while we're waiting. The stove is heating up, and the little stove body serves as a pretty good windscreen because it's getting kind of breezy today. And that's already heating up. I can hear it heating up. So we'll come back when we're ready to put the pasta in. All right, the sauce is starting to bubble. I got to keep stirring it because I don't want the sauce to burn. Because that stove is like, it's got two speeds, wide open and stop. It's warming up pretty good. The basil, garlic, pretty good. All right. Heating up very nicely. Starting to pop a little bit and bubble a little bit. All right. Bring you back when we're done. All right. Now, we had a hot sauce and cold pasta. So what we're going to do is, I'm just going to dump this whole thing in there. All right. And I'm going to smash it down in the sauce and mix it up. Looking good. See if we can warm up the pasta a little bit. All right. Could use a little more sauce. But that's what we're looking like. I can't not stir it for very long because I can hear it sizzling. You can hear it sizzling, burning. It's warming up very, very nicely. And I can't do it left-handed either. So it's just the way it is. Sorry if my hand's in front of it, but all I'm doing is stirring up the pasta. All right. Look pretty good. I'm just going to kind of let the stove burn out. And then we're going to see what we got when we're done. Okay. Our stove only burned for another minute or minute and a half. And I don't know if you can see, that is nice and mixed and it's nice and hot, but we're not done yet. So I'm gonna get that off of that stove and see if we can get to some place where we can put the finishing touches on it. Okay, best place to do the rest of the setup looks like right next to our stove. So now we got a cooked pasta zing. It's zinging. I don't know why it's a zing, but it's never a bad thing to have some Parmesan cheese. So I got my little thing of Parmesan cheese, and this is about 1 teaspoon. All right, see how 1 teaspoon does. Okay, that's pretty good. Still smoking. And we got another one, so we're going to put 2 teaspoons of Parmesan cheese in here. And all right, with our basil and garlic sauce. Oh man, that is looking good. It's tasting good. It's smelling good. But you know, we're missing one thing. And what would Canteen Cup Tuesday be without our old friend, Cristal hot sauce? And y'all know me, just a drop. That ought to zing that shit up. All right, here we go. We've got our coffee on the side. Ooh, I can smell that hot sauce. Oh my word. This is looking pretty good. You know, I think we're gonna need a little more. I can't really taste the hot sauce in that basil garlic, so I'll put some more in there. This is great. Oh, what a day. Okay. That looks good. That looks done. Let's go up and check it out. All right. Literally, this could be one of the best ones. I mean, we got a whole canteen cup full of Pasta Zing, which is instant spaghetti. Y'all, look at this. And it is smoking. Oh man, I can smell that hot sauce. You know, we couldn't go too long without bringing our old friend out. You know, we had to. I didn't get it with the grits, but I got the Mike's Hot Honey. But we also got our green cup, which still got hot coffee in it. Oh my God. So let's try some of this pasta thing. All right. Get wrapped up in there. You know, that's not bad. It's pre-cooked spaghetti. All you gotta do is heat it up on trail. I guess you could throw that pouch in some boiling water and you could heat it up like that. But I just heated up the sauce and I threw the pasta zing in there and just kind of stirred it around till it was all warm. The basil garlic sauce and the Parmesan cheese and the hot sauce is just unbelievable. I can't believe I'm sitting here out in the middle of the woods eating spaghetti and tomato sauce and drinking coffee with vanilla cream. Man, it does not get any better than this. And all you got left over is a little empty pouch and an empty can. So throw the empty can in the empty pouch, wrap it up, throw it in your backpack, and you're done. So, man, pasta zing and tomato sauce. So we're cooking up spaghetti and sauce on the trail. Man, I'm going to finish the rest of that. But if you guys like this video and you want to see more like it, please leave me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Tell me what your favorite trail food is and give me some more suggestions for some more Canteen Cup Tuesdays. I'm telling you, the next one is going to be my special coffee recipe. And I never cooked it before. I don't know if it's going to suck or not. But if you want to see more like this, just hit the thumbs up. Leave me a comment. I would really appreciate a subscription. And coming to you from the oat camp with Pasta Zing, This is Matt the Old Floor Boy, and I'll see you on the trail.